Can 6 days with Bible teach you something valuable? Let's find out.
Assalamu alaikum, guys. For the next 5 days, I'm going to tell you what I learned from the book, followed by millions of people on earth, which is Bible. So let's start. The first thing that hit me was forgiveness. बाइबल में बार बार दूसरों को माफ़ करने पर फोकस करा गया है, फिर चाहे आपका खुद का ईगो ही उसके खिलाफ क्यों ना हो। एंड मैंने सीखा कि मोस्ट पीपल हु कैरी एंगर वो इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि अदर्स हर्ट देम, बल्कि वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि पीपल रिफ्यूज टू लेट गो एंड फॉरगिवनेस रियली गिव्स यू पीस। सो डे 2 was about compassion. One of the strongest message I found in Bible was compassion. Like not just feeling sorry for someone but actually caring enough to help. बाइबल हमें रिपीटेडली एनकरेज करती है टू शो काइंडनेस टू द पुअर, द सिक, द लोनली एंड इवन टू दोज हु आर डिफिकल्ट टू लव. इट टीचेस दैट ट्रू कैरेक्टर इजंट रिवील्ड कि आप पावरफुल लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, बल्कि इट इज़ रिवील्ड बाय हाउ यू ट्रीट दोज हु कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग इन रिटर्न.
And this is something very important for us to understand.
One lesson that appeared again and again in the Bible was the danger of pride. Pride can make us believe कि हम हमेशा सही होते हैं and stops us from learning from our mistakes. The Bible often contrasts pride with humility, यानी अहंकार versus विनम्रता, teaching that true strength comes from recognizing कि we don't have all the answers. And finally, one lesson that stood above all the others was inner peace. The Bible repeatedly points people away from constant worry, fear, and the need to control everything. Instead, it encourages trust, patience, and finding peace even when the life is uncertain. And this was one of the most important lessons of my life. The Bible taught me forgiveness, love, compassion, giving up your ego, inner peace, and many more things. Also, whether someone is religious or not, I think कि ये वो values हैं जो हमें follow करनी चाहिए in order to become a good human being.
So that's all for today, guys. Subscribe for more such content.